Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix credit card miscommunication with Bank of America step by step clearly. Start by gathering all relevant information regarding your credit card account. Prepare your account number, recent statements, and any correspondence you've had with Bank of America. Contact Bank of America's customer service by calling the number on the back of your credit card. Once connected, politely explain the reason for your call. Clearly state the issue you are experiencing regarding the miscommunication. Provide specific details about the misunderstanding or error. If necessary, refer to particular transactions or statements to support your claim. Be sure to listen actively to the representative's responses. Take notes during the conversation for future reference. If the representative is unable to resolve your issue, ask to speak with a supervisor. Remain calm and professional throughout the discussion. If you receive a resolution, confirm the next steps before hanging up. If the issue is still unresolved, inquire about other ways to escalate the matter. Consider submitting a formal complaint through Bank of America's website if necessary. Follow up with any additional documentation the bank may request. Keep a record of all communications, including dates and names of representatives. Allow a few days for the bank to process the changes or corrections. Reach out again if you do not see the expected resolution within the promised timeframe. Stay diligent and persistent until your issue is fully resolved. Patience is key during this process, as it may take time to see results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.